Hey there, my name's John Erickson, coming to you from Los Angeles, California. I mean, just thinking about it, smiling has always come naturally to me, and people have always commented on the fact they like seeing me smile. I found this over on the cabinet, and it shows you ever since I was a little kid, I've had a smile on my face. So if there's anything I can do to help people feel more comfortable with their smiles and have more people smiling throughout the course of their day, I feel like it would make the world a better place. So let's have some fun.
Hey!
Thanks for joining us. Think about all the things you do so you look your best. Watch your weight, dress right, put on makeup, maybe even color your hair. Yet nothing can hurt your appearance more than having yellow teeth. But you love coffee, tea, maybe even wine. But they all make your teeth yellow. And yellow teeth make you look older than you really are and hurt your appearance. Forget strips, trays, and lights. They are messy, cumbersome, and take too much time to use. You can get a complete Power Swabs whitening treatment in just 5 minutes and have teeth 2 shades whiter after your very first treatment. Power Swabs are the fast and easy way for you to look more attractive, younger, and healthier. Get ready for the boost of confidence that comes with brighter, white teeth thanks to Power Swabs. Why settle for a smile that's anything less than the extraordinary person you are? With Power Swabs, it takes just 5 minutes to have brighter, whiter teeth, so you can always look and feel your very best. It's the easiest, fastest way to look younger, be more attractive, and boost your confidence. Hey, we're coming up on your last chance to order, so go ahead. I know you're going to be thrilled you did.